All the photos are shot on Realme 7 and not edited. Do you want to capture photos like a DSLR on your phone? Do you love macro photography?
Hey, what's up guys? How are you all? This is Ram and you're watching Infinity Explorer. And there is some special product in it. And I'm waiting for this from more than a month. Due to lockdown, it takes so many days to get delivered. So let's unbox it.
These are my initial impressions and full review will be posted on my photography channel Shutter Speed. I haven't uploaded any content yet. You can go to the channel by clicking the first link in the description and turn on all the notifications so you will be notified whenever I upload a video on that channel. Let's take the contents out and nothing more. Apexel 12 to 24x macro lens. In the case you will have assembled lens kit, protective foam, lens cleaner. Box comes very handy when traveling. Unscrewing will separate the lens and clip holder. The quality of the clip holder is quite good and it's 24x macro lens. Let's separate the lens. Now you will have two 12x macro lens. I bought this for $9.99 on apexel.in. One lens comes with a hood and it can be removed. Actually, this is the second time I'm ordering it. The first time it took me 28 days to deliver and I found there are some bubbles in the lens that can't be solved. It's a manufacturing defect. So I immediately contacted them through WhatsApp and they accepted the replacement request, and within 4 days I got my new one. I don't know when they will pick up this old one. So currently I have 4 12x macro lenses. Setting it up is very easy. Just screw it like a bottle cap. Only one lens for 12x magnification and 24x requires two lenses to be attached. Let's test it. That's what the main part is. Turn your phone and clip it to the main lens. This is Oppo A83 13 megapixel camera. Screw the lens. For now I'm testing 12x macro lens. Open your camera app. That's it. This is just an additional attachment to the camera. And one more thing, you can't take photos like you do. You have to go very close to the subjects to take the photos. See how closely it can capture. You can go very near to the leaf. You can see each pixel if you shoot a phone screen or a TV screen. You can do that with main lens as well. And you know, these days every phone is coming with a macro lens. You can try with that lens first, and if you are interested in macro photography, you can buy additional lens as well, like this one. But everyone knows inbuilt macro lenses aren't that good. Wow, very close. Let's shoot this insect. A dead one lying on the window. See how close and how beautiful it looks. Now let's see the currency note under this. Wow, so detailed and close. Without even zooming, this is the direct shot. See how detailed the pictures are. Not 24x. 24x is very hard to control actually. You need to get very close to the subject. 1 cm, 2 cm, that's it. This is 24x without zooming. Toggle to Pro mode for more flexibility. See how detailed it is. Same shot with 12x, 24x and no lens at all, direct shot. You cannot get too close with the direct camera without lens. The picture will be blurry. If you have additional lens like this, you can go very near to the subject and capture it. Clean the lens before and after use.
I hope you find this video useful and give this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and check out my other cool videos in the channel. This is Ram signing off. Keep exploring infinity.